everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how I make the perfect sugar cookies. I've been making these for years now and I really feel like I've perfected the recipes, so I wanted to share it with you today. Baking is also one of my favorite mindful activities. It really helps me to feel calm, to slow down, and to be more present. So I really hope you enjoy today's video and we'll get straight into it. So I start off by mixing together the butter and sugar. And I like to use my KitchenAid mixer to do this, but you could use any kind of mixer or hand mixer. And what you really want to do is cream the butter and the sugar. I then add an egg and mix that in, and then I add some vanilla extract, and you can also add some almond extract here if you like. I then add in some vanilla sugar, and this is my secret ingredient. It really makes the cookies taste so nice. I then add some baking powder and a pinch of salt, and I'll leave all of the measurements and the ingredients listed in the description box below if you want to make these yourself. And lastly, I mix in some plain flour, and you just want to be careful because the flour tends to fly everywhere, so you just want to have it on a slow setting with your mixer. And once it's all combined, I turn the dough over onto a clean surface and knead it for a while. I then like to put down some baking paper onto the bench, and I do this because it really helps to stop the dough from sticking to the bench, and it also really helps to lift the cookie dough off once you've cut it. And so then I just put a bit of flour down onto the top of the dough and then roll it out using my rolling pin. And I like to use these rolling pin guides to help to make sure that the dough is evenly spread when you roll it out. And then I come in with a round cutter and cut these out. And then place them down onto lined baking trays and put them in the oven for anywhere between 8 and 12 minutes. It just depends on your oven, and you want to bake these until they're lightly golden brown. And then you can decorate them however you like. I like to use fondant, and I will do another tutorial soon showing you how I decorate my sugar cookies with fondant. But yeah, you can use royal icing or any other kind of icing. So that is pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you give this a go or if you're planning to. And if you did like it, please do subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.